Hi, kindergartners! I'm so happy to see you. I wasn't here last week because Miss Hulsart wasn't feeling good, but now I'm all better and I'm dressed for Picture Day. I hope you are too, to celebrate our Spirit Week this week. Today is Picture Day, but we've got some fun things coming up, so I hope you're ready. Today, for math, we are going to start by counting hands and fingers. I want you to think about how many hands you have, how many fingers you have. Let's get started. Kindergartners, today we are going to start doing something that we haven't quite done yet, and it's going to be practicing counting. Now, we count a lot, but this is going to be a little different. Now, in Miss Hulsart's picture, you can see lots of hands. I want you to look down. How many hands do you have? Yeah, two. So we know every set of two hands is one person. So we're going to answer three different questions. How many kids? How many hands? And how many fingers? We know that each box, each set of two hands is one person. So first, let's count kids. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many kids are there? Yeah, there are 10 kids. Nice job, kindergartners. Now we want to count hands. Now, how many hands does each person have? That's right, they have two. So you might know how to count by twos. 2, 4. But if you're not sure, let's do it together. I'm going to whisper the first number and then say the second number out loud. Listen, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We have 10 kids, and when we have 10 kids, how many hands are there? 20. Very good. How do I write the number 20? I need two digits. I need and If you said a 2 and a 0, you're correct. So we know that there are 10 kids, 20 hands. Now we need to count fingers. How many fingers does a person have? Look at yours. Count yours if you're not sure. Every person has 10 fingers. Very good. What else do all people have? What other thing does everyone have 10 of? 10 toes. Yeah, 10 fingers and 10 toes. Now we know how to count by tens. We've been practicing that a lot. So for every set of hands, I'm going to count by 10. Count with me. Get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 fingers. 100 is a big number. How are you going to write the number 100? Close your eyes. Imagine it in your brain. 100. All right. Open your Open your eyes. Does yours look like mine? 100? A 1, a 0, and a 0. So we know we have 10 kids, 20 hands, and 100 fingers. Nice job, kindergartners. Now, today for math, our objective says students will be able to use numbers, pictures, words, and or subtraction notation to represent a solution to a problem. Here's your criteria for success. Here's what I want you to do. It says, I drew a picture with numbers to represent my thinking. So when you're all done with your work, I'm going to want to know that you can say, check, I drew a picture with numbers. I wrote a number sentence to match the problem using subtraction. And I could read my number sentence out loud. This one's important. I want you to practice, practice, practice reading those number sentences out loud. So here's where we're going to do all of that hard work. Let's see. Let's Miss Hulsar get there. And today we have a story problem. And the story problem today is about pencils. So let's see. Here's what it says. How many pencils? Solve the problem. Show your work. Remember, we just talked about showing your work means a picture with numbers, and it means writing a number sentence to match and reading that number sentence out loud. It says there are 6 pencils in the box. How many pencils are in the box? 6 pencils. Very good. Max gave 3 pencils to Mia. I want you to imagine that in your brain. Close your eyes. Think about that. There are 6 pencils. All right, Max is giving 3 pencils to Mia. What does that look like in your brain? How many pencils are left in the box? We started with 6. Max gave 3 to Mia. So did they put extra in the box, or did they take some out of the box? How many pencils are left in the box? You're going to draw a picture with numbers. Numbers are important. Write your number sentence and practice saying it out loud. Then the next thing you're going to see is a video. You might have already watched it. That's okay. If you haven't already watched it, I want you to watch it today. And the last thing that you'll see, these are new. These are flashcards. Now, you may know what flashcards are, but they might be new for you. And they have number sentences on them. Let's do this one together. Ready? 1 + 1 = 2. Yeah, good job. These are all number sentences that you should know how to solve. 5 - 1, 3 - 1, 3 + 1. You are going to, you'll see there's little scissors. So if you can't print these, that's okay, but I do want you to make them on paper and practice them. Quiz yourself, have a grown-up practice them with you. Practice them again and again and again and again and again and again and again, so that you know all of these math facts like that in your brain. Don't forget to turn your work in when you're all done. Good luck, kindergartners. Have fun.